Hello everyone and welcome. Today's lesson is part of your Introductory Windows series. For today's lesson, we're going to be going over Objective 2.5, which is to learn how to manage and uninstall programs using Windows programs and features. Alright guys, so here in Windows settings, we are in Apps and Features. So this is one area where you can look at all the programs that are installed, and if you go over the program, you can modify it or uninstall it. But what you're probably going to want to use is programs and features. So let's go ahead and close this and we'll open up programs and features. So here is where you would see a list of all the programs that are installed. Right now all I have is Firefox installed, but let's say that for whatever reason I decided that I just don't want Firefox, I want it gone. So what I would do is I could right click on Firefox and click uninstall, and that would get rid of Firefox. So one option that you have is to view installed updates. This would just show you a list of all the updates that have been installed, and from here you can uninstall updates or change them. Another important area in programs and features is turn Windows features on or off. Alright guys, so in turn Windows features on or off, there are a couple of different things that you're going to want to be familiar with. So first off, you have Internet Explorer 11. So say that you want Internet Explorer enabled on your computer, but you can't find it. Instead of downloading it off the internet, what you're going to do is come to turn Windows features on or off and just enable it. Two other features that you're going to want to be familiar with are Telnet and TFTP. So Telnet is what allows you to connect to other computers remotely, and then TFTP is what would allow you to transfer files using the file transfer protocol. So you're probably going to want both of these turned off. So just to make sure that those are turned off. And if there's anything in here that you're unsure about, if you just scroll over it, you can see a description of what it is. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. In this tutorial, we went over Objective 2.5, where we learned how to manage and uninstall programs using Windows programs and features, and we also looked at some other settings in Windows programs and features. Alright guys, so thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions, be sure to let us know.